Buffett. Today I will review the book about Warren Buffett, which was written in 1995 by Roger Levenstein. According to the author, Buffett genius was largely a genius of character, of patience, discipline, and rationality. In a nutshell, the main message of the book is genuinely successful investment requires both courage and character. I will tell you the secret of getting rich on Wall Street. Close the door. You try to be greedy when others are fearful, and you try to be very fearful when others are greedy. Benjamin Graham said that one of the three important elements of a successful investor was firmness of character. Buffett has this in spades because his style of investment has required him to stick to his conviction. As Levinstein correctly notes, Buffett is so attractive because his value investing goes hand in hand with ideas like loyalty, integrity, and keeping things for a long time.